What up, YouTube? So today is gonna be a new update on the Mercedes-Benz C43 Amg. We got some carbon fiber intakes that I've been waiting for from Modal Works, and it's pretty much the last upgrade I'm gonna be doing to this car. I already have AWE exhaust, Wistek downpipes, JFab mid pipe with AMR stage 2 with E30 tune and burples, and stage 1.5 TCU tune, I guess you could say. I upgraded it twice on the TCU, basically their latest firmware or software from AMR. So this is pretty much the last piece that I think I needed, because the stock air boxes get heat soak a lot, so I think they just really don't breathe after the car starts warming up. So hopefully it can take away some of that and make some better noises than what the stock one does. So right now I'm gonna start getting everything ready and make sure that these actually fit really good, because I have heard some problems, but like I said, Modal Works guaranteed me that these will work perfect. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start popping the stock intakes off, and then we'll come back and see what we need to do to actually install these. Alright, so I took the Benz cover off, which is this right here. It just basically pulls off. There's nothing really to it. Also these are pretty simple to take off as well. You just gotta pop these off, and they come off as well. These are just like the breathers pretty much. So we'll put these back on after the intake's off. So I believe actually I need an E30. So pretty much we just need an E30 right here, and then the intakes will come off. Alright, so right now I just went ahead and took off the little air breathers that come to basically vent and give fresh air to the stock air boxes. So they literally just, I mean, they pull out, and very simple. Anyways, so this is E10 Torx. So start taking this apart. And one problem that somebody was saying on YouTube was the problem with the O-ring on here that they give you. So hopefully that's not a problem. Hopefully it seals. They said that the sensors are actually pretty good, so for extended and everything. So I'm just hoping for a proper fitment. That's all I can hope for. So okay, that's loose. So that's out. All ready to take out. I'm gonna take this one real quick. And so the price of these intakes shipped came out to like $1,100. So I mean, if they work good and everything, it'll be a good deal. I think it's something that I really been waiting for, because I feel like these stock intakes really just don't do any justice as far as making any power. Even so, some people said that intakes don't work, but we shall see. I've heard pretty good things on the MST one, and I've heard this is better than MST. So I think with it being carbon fiber, it should be a little bit better. So that's pretty much ready to pop out. So all I gotta do is take these sensors off, and then I'm gonna start getting the intakes. I'm gonna put the clamps on them, get the clamps ready, and then I'll find the hardware, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I got the intakes all tightened down, and I took the sensors off. Pretty much what you have to do is spin them. They're like in this position right here, so you spin them around and then you pry up. When you're actually doing the clips, you have to pull this clip out, and then pull this clip up. Once that's out, it'll pull right out. So they have the extensions right here, and then they gave me 2 bolts and then just one of these I don't know, clamps. So I don't know if both needs them. You would think both needs them, but I guess I'll have to figure out which one. Hopefully just one side does. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug the sensors into the intakes and start test fitting to see which one of these is gonna need for this little clamp seal or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out and then we'll come back. All right, so we're back now and I got the intakes installed. The extra ring is for this side. I'm guessing the problem they were having with this intake on this side is it was too loose. So it fixes the problem. They're both very sturdy. The sensors are pretty much really well engineered as far as the intake. It twists on just like the stock factory intake, so that's pretty cool. Clearance wise, it looks pretty good. This is a T30 that they give to tighten these down. Or no, I'm sorry, T25. Let me check. T25, okay. So T25, and then E10 Torx to take off the stock intakes, a flathead, and that's pretty much it. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and just put the stock ducts on, and then we'll come back for our first startup with the intakes on here. All right, so I got my ducts on. Unfortunately, the cover doesn't fit. I'm not gonna cut it or anything. Like, I'm probably just not gonna use it. Doesn't really matter because no one's really looking under my hood. I do need to clean it though. So let's go for the first start real fast and see how this thing sounds. Hopefully it makes some different noises. Alright guys, so we're on the road right now and kind of letting the car warm up. I don't really like to punch it when it's still in the blue as far as my gears and oil, but I can definitely tell you there's a difference for sure for throttle response. Like, definitely puts me in the seat a lot more than it used to. So I think the $1,000 investment was well worth it, or $1,100 with shipping and everything. Overall, the intakes came out really good. Modal did their job, and I was gonna actually cancel them. So shout out to Modal Works. You guys did a good job. Everything does work and fit like you said it was. So I'm just gonna give it a little pull real quick, and then we'll probably end this video. Install probably took me a good like 20 minutes. That's with filming and everything as well. So maybe 15 if you just if you got your tools ready. Other than that, let's see how this thing rips. Alright, so fifth gear, it used to kind of lag between that on the shift. Now it's just straightforward. So like I said, I'm pretty sure on the more of the top end it'll feel a lot more better, but I can definitely say that there's a difference. I'm pretty sure when it gets a little cooler out here and do some night runs, I'll probably bring JFab and we'll do a better video with everything connected. As far as like I said, I'm pretty sure it's got to break in a little bit. Maybe the ECU's got to do a little bit of adjustment, but either way, I think it's well worth it. So I pretty much have complete bolt-ons besides Tech gates. I might do that, maybe not. I've seen some good videos on them, but not too much improvements. Yeah, so pretty much AMR E30 tuned, Stage 2 Y-stick downpipes, AW exhaust, JFAT mid pipes, and modal works carbon fiber intake. So let's see. Since this car is in front of me, I'll probably just get past this car and do a launch. Turn traction control off. I should have brought my draggy. I actually will do a draggy video, maybe on the next one as well. Yeah, so I definitely feel an improvement. I can't wait till I go get some more gas and go take this thing to the track, hopefully eventually. Someone did hit my car, so I gotta get my bumper kind of fixed and aligned a little bit, but it is what it is. If you haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned guys, I got a lot more videos coming in. See you guys next time.